What is given in the question? There are two particles A and B, and initially they are at rest, and later on they start moving towards each other under mutual force of attraction. At an instance when the speed of A is v and the speed of B is 2v, the speed of center of mass is what? Done it? So initially this is ball A, this is ball B. Let's say it has a mass of m1, it has a mass of m2. So initially they are at rest. So initially if you talk about calculating its center of mass, then you will write m1 u1 plus m2 u2 divided by m1 plus m2. And here u1 and u2 are 0. So ucm will be equal to 0. Now, center of mass velocity is going to change if external force will act. Now, they start moving and gaining speed because of mutual force of attraction acting, right? So, अगर हमारा सिस्टम यहाँ पे क्या है ए एंड बी, क्योंकि ए एंड बी के सेंटर ऑफ मास की मास का वेलोसिटी हमें निकालना है, राइट? सो आवर सिस्टम इज ए एंड बी, और यहाँ पे जो फोर्स लग रहा है ए बी पे लगा रहा है, बी ए पर लगा रहा है. सो force जो लग रहा है that is internal force, that is not coming or getting exerted from somewhere outside the system, right? That force is operating within the system, और जब system के अंदर का force है that became the internal force. and internal force जो है तुम्हारा वो center of mass के position को velocity को change नहीं करेगा. Done है? So what you are going to say, you will say that uh, at any instant their velocity of center of mass will be what? 0, because no external force in this case is acting.